Hi everybody. So today I wanted to do a quick little video just on my top 5 reasons why you should have a Filipina for a girlfriend or a wife, or why you just need a Filipina in general. Now, I could sit here and go over negatives as well. There are negatives with any girl from any country, but still the positives far outweigh the negatives in my mind. So for me, Filipina is just simply the best girl to have, whether you're just looking for a girlfriend or a serious relationship leading to marriage. So let's go ahead and get into it. The first reason I have is just that they are absolutely fun to be around. They seem to always have a smile on their face. They're just fun to travel with and do adventures, or just even hanging out at home watching a movie. They just always, for me, they just always seem to be in good spirits, happy, and always have a way to bring out a smile on my face. It's just amazing. They're just absolutely fun girls. And so that's the first reason for me. Number 2, they take great care of you. If you haven't had a Filipina girlfriend or a serious relationship with a Filipina, then you may not know exactly what I'm talking about. But if you have had a relationship with a Filipina, then you probably know what I'm talking about. But I mean, most of them will know how to cook. They're going to want to take care of you, cook for you. They're very clean, so they love to clean and keep your place clean. And without ever having to say anything, my last girlfriend would always just, sweep the floor or do the dishes or clean the CR, restroom. And so, yeah, they're just great for just taking care of things. And a lot of them, my last girlfriend would give me massages. It was just unbelievable. So they really know how to take care of a guy, much better than a Western girl by far. It's not even a comparison for me. So the third reason I have is that they're very feminine. They still hold their feminine values, and they don't mind being a woman. In the West, with the equal rights and everything, and the feminism movement, it just seems that women there just, they get offended if you open the door, if they got their short hair. In the Philippines, they take care of themselves, and they don't mind being feminine. And that's a big deal for me. You just go into your local Walmart in the U.S. and you'll see what I'm talking about. But so I suppose that takes us over into the third one, or is that the fourth one? But the next one is that they're extremely affectionate. Now, I don't know about you, but for me, that is a great thing. When I say affectionate, they're very clingy, which I suppose some could view as something bad. I don't. I certainly have no problem with a beautiful Filipina hugging on me all the time. If you're just watching a movie, they've got their leg draped over you. They're hugging you at night. They want to hold hands when you're out and about, arms around you, hug, kiss, cuddle. They are just extremely affectionate, and I, for one, absolutely love it. I wouldn't change it for anything. So, what else? Yeah, I mean, those are some of the main things. So I'll just kind of reiterate again. Basically, they're affectionate. They are feminine. They have great. Oh, I guess the fifth one would be they have good values. They really do. And some people might want to argue that, but I find Filipinos to have good values, and they also seem to be pretty thrifty. Last girlfriend, she would never want to buy clothes at regular retail price. She would never want to shop at the mall. If I gave her 1,000 pesos, she did not want to buy 1 or 2 items in the mall. She would rather go to like a thrift store and buy like 5 or 6 items, and I think that's phenomenal. They seem to love to bargain shop, so that's a big deal for me. And yeah, so basically they're fun to be around. They'll take care of you. Great values. They're feminine, and they're very affectionate. And I suppose another thing for me, I don't know about you guys, but I like a woman to be small and petite. And in the West, it's not that uncommon to have a girl who's just as tall as you. Sometimes you just have to go to Walmart again, and you could see girls just as big as you, if not bigger. And that's not attractive for me. I like a small, petite, feminine girl, and that's another thing that I really love about the Philippines. So there you have it, 5 reasons you should have a Filipina. If you have other reasons, go ahead and comment down below. I'd love to hear from you guys. I'd also love to hear from some Filipinas on what things you admire with Western guys. So I'd love to hear all of that down below. And as always, take care, and I will see you guys next time. Hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys later. Bye.